Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Dear brothers and sisters, we all know that our feelings, they are real, but not always reliable. Our life becomes hard and it can lose balance when we let our feelings run the show. One moment we are so strong, the next moment we feel weak. One day we feel so loved, the next day we feel we are abandoned. You see, our emotions, they're like a tide. It rise and fall. And this is where the problems start. If we live by our feelings, we become unstable. Jeremiah 17:9 says, "The heart is deceitful above all things." And what does this mean? It means that our emotions, they can lie to us. They can make us believe things that are not true in ourselves, maybe with others, and sometimes even with God. But you see, God never changed. His word never changed. And He said in 2 Corinthians 5:7, "For we live by faith, not by sight." Here, what does His meaning of faith? He means that we must trust God's promise and not our shifting emotion. So, dear brothers and sisters, the next time you feel that you're not loved, remember God's word in Jeremiah 31:3. "I have loved you with everlasting love." Feeling can change, but God, He stand on His word and never stand on your feelings. Let this be a challenge to us that we should live by faith and not by our emotion. Thank you for joining me today, and to God be the glory.